Tunisian reverse stitch is commonly used to keep your work from curling. You can see it's got big, bulky ridges. To do the Tunisian reverse stitch, skip this first vertical bar just like normally, and then you see you have the front vertical bar. It goes up into the chain and it comes down the back. What you're going to do is place your hook to the back of your work, and you need a side-to-side motion under the back vertical bar. You're going to keep your hook in the back at all times. So it's actually, I've seen this stitch called the reverse simple stitch. So a simple stitch is just a side-to-side motion in the front. This, on the other hand, is a side-to-side motion in the back. So side-to-side motion in the back, pull up a loop, and this is 10 stitches, so you'll have 10 loops on your hook. So here's 5 loops. This does take practice because you are kind of not being able to see what you're doing while you're working. And that does take practice. But as you can see, what I do here is I just sort of move it forward, put it between, and then pull up a loop. Now again, this is a decision-making situation. You can either come to the front and make the stitch under the 2 in the front here for the front and the back here for stabilization. You can do that. It does cause a big gap. You could also, if you wanted, just do the reverse under the 2 bars here and pull up a loop. It just depends on your situation. So if you wanted to bring it all the way out to the edge, you could. And you can see it looks just fine. Then chain 1, and then yarn over, pull through 2. Just like a single crochet here. Pull through 2, pull through 2. And all the way across. And when you get to the end, you'll have 1 loop remaining, and that'll be the first one of your next row. You can see those ridges here.